Lisa from Brunette Wig Place, and today I am happy to be bringing you a review for Wig Studio One. Just a reminder before I get started, Wig Studio One has a great online Facebook support group. It's a private group, and it's called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We would love to have you come over and join for the wig chat and the hair loss support that you can get there in the group. So today I am bringing you a review for this really cute brand new style for 2020 by Noriko. This is Emery, and this is a brand new shade, brand new brunette by them, which is called Kandy Brown LR, and that's Kandy with a K, just in case you're Googling it or something. So really, really pretty shade and super cute, just little spunky bob. Just really a cute style. So let me do a turn and then we'll get started with all of her specifications. So she's really, really cute. I love the way the hair moves. She's fun. Now, if you wanted to, you could steam that back off your face, but I don't know. I just think she's cute. The way she just wants to kind of naturally flop. Really cute. Okay, so here's her front. She's maybe just slightly longer on this layer. I can't tell. Not much. These layers want to point towards the chin anyway, so here is my right side. And then back to the front. So as far as her cap construction, she is a lace front with a left side mono part. So I will show you the lace front. The lace front's really nice. The knots are tiny. There's also seems to be some little kind of baby hairs that want to flake down there, which is really nice, looks very natural. But you know, for this having a dark root, the lace front's really, really nice. I'm very happy with it. And then she has a left mono part, and with the dark rooting, it's kind of hard to show you the mono part, but show you that right across here. And it's a pretty long part. It goes almost back all the way to the crown, which is nice, very natural looking. So really, really cute. So as far as her measurements, she has a 7.1 inch fringe. I think you could cut that into a shorter bang if that was what you wanted to do. 6.3 inches from the crown, and she has a 2.4 inch nape. So a short, almost a pixie nape in the back. So really, really cute. And then weight-wise, she is 2.9 ounces, so she's very, very lightweight. So as far as her cap construction, typical to Noriko style, she does have permatease up here. There's teasing at the rooting, and there's flower lace that I'll show you in just a minute when I take her off. And there is permatease up here on the top. However, the permatease is down right at the wefting where it's attached to the cap. So the hair is gonna fall over that, and so you're not gonna see little hair sticking up or anything like that. It's just, you know, as you can see from this style is designed to get some volume if that's what you want. Now for me, I tend to like it a little sleeker, a little lower profile, so I just smooth it down and it works just fine. So very cute. Okay, let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. So here's the lace front up close. Looks really, really nice. Okay, so she is a lace front goes from the very top of the ear tab to the other top of the ear tab. Like I said, left mono part that goes back to the crown. This is where I'm talking about there's some closed flower lace and there's permatease on the top of that, on the outside. Outside of the cap, not outside where you can see it on the outside of the hair. Ear tab that is covered with that soft moleskin, felty. And there's lots of hair attached to the ear tab, so that's nice. Really makes it a nice ear tab. I'll show you the ear tabs on also when I get her back on. Open wefting all through the cap. I've pulled a hair through there. She has the pull adjusters. I know those are harder to see on the black cap, but. And then she doesn't really have an extended nape, but she does have that soft felt on the nape. So very, very nice. Let me pop her back on and I can show you those ear tabs as well and show you the facial coverage. So she's pretty easy. You know, pop her back on, find that mono part there, get that fringe separated, and then she's pretty much good to go. Very easy on and off. So ear tabs, I pulled her ear tab up there, but good coverage around the face. Nice sturdy metal in that ear tab. So once you get those adjusted, they should stay in place nicely. Really, really nice. So really cute wig, really nice cap construction, and their wigs are always so well made. I really like them. So as far as this color, this is Candy Brown LR. This is one of 5 new shades that they are introducing with this these new collections. So Candy Brown LR is described as a mixture of a warm light brown, so you can see that light brown there, with a dark rich brown, and a natural long shadow root. So I love a rooted brunette. I just think it looks so natural. Very pretty though. You can see that rich brown, or that lighter brown goes all through the color. Highlighted over that rich brown. Really pretty. Love this brunette. Very happy with it. Okay, well, let's take her outside and we will look at Candy Brown LR outside in the natural light. Okay, so we are outside with this Emery by Noriko in Candy Brown LR. So this is under my patio cover, so you can really see the shade in this natural light. You can see the variance in those brunettes. That warm brown sort of has a reddish gold tinge to it. You can see that long rooting. Really, really pretty. You know, she kind of flops in the face, but if your hair was cut this way, I think she looks very natural. Really pretty. Okay, we can take her out in the bright sun. She's not real shiny, which I like. So again, you can see that rooting, but it is very bright out here. Try a different direction here. Okay, really pretty brunette and really, really cute style. I love that you could really see that variation in the color and that long root out there in the natural light. So as far as glasses, she's really easy with glasses. No problem. Glasses do go up on my head, okay? I like, because this layer right here is shorter, I kind of like pulling that down rather than putting all the hair behind my ear. If you can put all the hair behind your ear, but then you just have to make sure that that ear tab is, you know, tamped down there by your face, but it tends to want to come out, so I think it's cute just putting, you know, some of the hair behind your ear. Looks really, really cute. Okay, so she's super cute for styling. Headbands look really, really cute in her. Maybe pull down that front layer. Oh yeah, that's cute. She's cute. She's got a lot of spunk. I like that. You can, you know, put any kind of cute little clip in her. She has a nice lace front. So that looks cute. Maybe something shiny. I love shiny. These little things would never stay in my hair. I don't know if that's the case for y'all, but they would never stay in my bio hair, so I have fun with them with my wigs. Really cute. She's not one with her length. You're not gonna get her, if you pull her back on the sides, you're gonna wanna just clip her right behind the ear. She doesn't have enough length to go all the way back and be clipped, but you could certainly clip her all up on top because she has that nice lace front. They did a good job, even though this has a, you know, a darker root. I really think that the lace front's really nice. And if you little baby hairs want to come down, just let them come down. That looks natural. So really, really cute. She's a super cute style. So thank you again to Wig Studio One for sending her to me to review for y'all. And don't forget to join their Facebook group. All the information for purchase will be below the video. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.